Today! Holy, it is pumping cars. There's some run, apparently they're running from here all the way to fucking Sydney. I mean all the way to Bondi Beach, so. Fuck, it's pumping though, yeah. Is it like happening from the top of the bridge? I don't know when the music is just happening, but fuck. Don't know, I come out here, have a quick smoke. Enjoy the view of it, fuck. Oh, come on. New day!
Ayo.
Nice, that's not what you're supposed to say, but I want to get a new day out of you. Wow. I'm pretty sure there's other people on here that want to get a new day out of you as well. I don't know. New day! Jig it up. Alright, well, we're leaving the hotel because we need to out of here by 10, so what are our plans? What are we doing? What are we doing? Fuck knows. Why not? I don't know. Huh? Why don't you know?
I can't even click 6. Hey, there must be like
Ratchet.
Oh yeah, shit.
I'll update you to what we get up to. So we're gonna make us. I want some pancakes. Let's fucking go. But I'm pretty sure Jack still wants to work today. I don't want to like fucking bug him too much, but fuck, I really want to bug him because fuck, I'm not gonna see him for a couple more months. So fuck, who cares? Might just show up with a couple of beers and just force him to throw it or something. I don't know. Just washing the car now. Ooh, bit of a Falcon. Washing the car now. See how fucking clean we can get it. I just put Jack up there. I'm pretty sure he's probably just gonna go to what do you call it? Come back at it. Probably gonna fucking hear me. It's pretty loud, eh? Anyway, this guy's gonna get home soon.
Thank God.
Gotta work.
Not being here. No, that doesn't make sense.
Okay. What's your opinion on him leaving?
Cheers.
Oh, you're
To the bottom or?
To the bottom.
Huh?
You need to get this coming on.
Yeah, to the bottom.
I'm not fucking drinking this.
What the fuck? Can I have this one? Grabs it. No, I'm not drinking this.
She's gonna have one sip out of it.
Yeah, probably, eh?
And then throw it over the fence.
Oh, that was delicious, eh?
Oh, Tootsie. Alright, so we're gonna drink a couple beers, and then when he goes, me, Jack, and Ava.
She's got work.
So just me and Jack comes. Me and Jack are just gonna go broccoli.
We don't have a car though. She's gonna take the car.
That's us, cuz.
Ooh,
That's
doubles.
us. I'll
That's
dub
the
you there all
butts.
day. I'll dub you there all day.
Nah. Do you want to take it? That's the butts.
Oh, is that a thing?
Yo. Two dudes.
Nah, just turn around.
Oh, banging.
Ooh.
Banging.
What are you looking at?
Flip it around.
So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go bowling and then bouncing, but then I don't know, I'll update you when we get there, I guess, or when this fella leaves. But I swear, I'm not.
She had to look over it.
Looking, yeah, well, YouTube, Ravdogslife,
So it probably takes an hour and a half to get there. I probably would go now.
Hour and a half.
Takes well, I don't know.
Takes like an hour, mate. Fuck,
Does
do
it?
you even drive?
No, we don't go toll roads.
Oh, do you not? What are you
No.
fucking poor from
Yo,
shit?
fucking A, I'm poor age, G. I don't go fucking toll roads.
Do you know this guy?
No. Are you filming me?
nah. You meet a 14-year-old child.
14-year-old girl.
You really heavy.
Yeah, I have.
It's just,
I have.
wow.
Is this a stitch up, is it? Ratchet.
This male.
This male. Yeah, you meant to like try and beat me up now. That's normally.
No, you're supposed to start yelling and like, fuck you, give us your phone and
Yeah,
let's
give
call
us
your mum, eh?
You want to send this on. Anyhow, fuck, I don't like being filmed, though.
Do you not?
No, not really, eh?
No, you'll get used to it.
Kind of gets on my nerves.
I got used to it.
Yeah.
Kinda, yeah. You shouldn't do that with your teeth. It's bad. And Mum might see that video and say, "Oh, Jack, My beautiful boy's teeth.
Teeths. Yeah. Oh, well. Fuck, this is
yeah. You're off, Chubb. Alright, well, this guy's getting the fuck out of here. It's probably the last time you'll see him for the next, like, fucking, I don't know, like, fucking 2 months. 2 months or something. 3 months, and then probably come back over here, smash some money out, go back over Europe again, or... Huh?
That's right.
I can stay at your house, it's all good, eh?
Yeah.
Yo.
My house is ours.
I'll just turn up. No, your house.
Yeah, fucking no.
I'll just turn up, and then I'll just, like, show up to you with you at work, too. It's like, this is my exchange student. Exchange student. Why not? Why not?
You actually have to pass a drug test?
Yeah, I can do that. Anyway, I'll bet you when we go to bowling later.
maybe.
Golf, we're going bowling, right?
Huh?
There's no way we're not going bowling.
Oh,
Alright, we're going to the bowling. We're going. Abe's back.
do you want the front?
No, you're right.
Okay.
Oh, the back. No, the back's mean. I actually don't need the leg room. No, it's actually pretty spacious in the back. It's not too bad.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Oh, that was a bit rough, wasn't it?
Shall we go in and get a box or no?
Yeah, fuck, I reckon. Go and get a box.
Go to Richmond.
Fuck.
Get a box of Richmond.
Oh, see that's no space though. See that's a bit too.
You're missing something.
What?
What do you say?
No, we got in trouble.
Go to Jamie.
Oh, fuck copyright. Let them all. Are we getting him? Speak up.
Loaded fries.
Loaded fries. What kind of fries are you getting? What kind of loaded fries?
French fries.
No, no, shit. What?
French fries.
Oh, French fries. Okay. Alright, oh, this thing's pretty cool. This thing's pretty cool, she. Gone quite far into it, but I don't really want to get the chips. I kind of thought that was going to be a bit more expensive, and I'm not really that hungry, but anyway, this is exactly what I wanted. This is mean as fuck. Bit of froyo. Oh yeah. Bang that shit, cars. It's pretty flashing it. Are you? Wow, why would you look in there? What, are you going to steal some coins? Hey, steal some? Wait, stop it. Anyway, you're supposed to go bowling here, so where do we go? I'll update when we go bowling. Definitely getting copyright, but it's alright. See how good this fella is, eh? See how good he is. 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 Oh, got a ball. How good? How good? How good? Is it? Really? Wow, okay. Hey. Yeah! He's on. Nah, he's on. Nah, he's on. He's on.
Nah, that one's smaller.
Here she goes. Yeah! On. Fuck, it's probably the best I'm about to do, eh? Fuck. I'll update you there how fuck she goes. Well, she's kind of been half smoking us, but... Look at him. Woo! Take the phone. Take it. Take it. Oh! Nice! Oh, yeah. That one kind of is better, but kind of not. It actually turns out I just won, so yeah. Comebacks are real. Comebacks are real. Alright, well, we're just making things and I'll let you know what we get up to. Back home, I cannot speak. Back home now. I absolutely just smoked them bitches. Both games, fucking pool. I mean, what is it? Fucking golf and bowling. It's probably just another day in Ravdogslife, eh? Day of the week was I can't even remember, but whatever Ravdog can do, fucking so can you. Whatever you put your mind to, that's it. Whatever you put your mind to, you can fucking do it, mate. Honestly, if there's anything going on inside of your head, fucking just procrastinate, think about it 24/7, and that shit will just fucking happen. Stay stupid, this is the fucking way you are. Last time we're gonna see you guys. What was it? Give me a new day. Oh, what the fuck was that?
Huh? What the fuck is that?
That's a fucking pop one. What was that?
That's the fucking neighbours.
Got new day! New day! Alright, I'm gonna drop these fellas off at work and then I'll update you what the plan is. Alrighty, it's pretty good fucking timing. Train's coming now. Back off the NZ, baby. I'm probably just gonna put this in the end of the other video it's made, but probably not gonna record too much. Probably gonna take like, I don't know, for a day reset. Then tomorrow, baby, cause I'm gonna get home in like an afternoon. Tomorrow, fuck, I'm sure we should go straight to the fucking, I don't know, I wanna go put a batch in the VS, hey, pop a set, fuck, I'm so keen, hey, I always have a dog. Go appreciate some family, mates and shit, hey, fuck, you really don't realise how much you miss them, hey, until they're gone, hey, so, fuck. I love everyone. I miss everyone. But it's been a fucking gangster ass trip. Seems like some other bros already going over Europe in like 2 months, so apart for just sell some shit and sort my shit out and go to Europe in 2 months. I'll update you, let you know what the fuck's going on. Let me know. Do you guys want me to go travelling? Want me to go back over Europe? But we're going with some other bros, so fuck, we'll be doing fucking snowboarding and shit going in winter, eh? Snowboarding with Ravdog. Oh. Righty, sweet, landed. Shout out to the brother that said hi to me. Okay, let's go. Hopefully, I'll update you when we get the fuck out of here. Pretty sure my mom's supposed to be here. I gotta try and find something to take the little SIM card out of my phone so I can change it over because I got no Wi-Fi or anything here. But I'm pretty sure I should know where my mom is. But I don't know. We'll give it a go. I'll update you when we're off here. I just want to make a shout out to everyone that's helped me out this trip too. Fuck, it's been so gangster. It's been so crazy. Like, it's even crazy to get back to my home today. Like, it's somewhere that's was it common ground? There we go. I've actually got fucking common ground here, so fucking hell. Probably gonna put some ice and alcohol with the duty free and then send it on up fun periods.